Hi everyone, we're going to use an egg carton to make this Easter basket. Look, cut the egg carton, then fix it here, cut the edge so it looks neat. You will cut it twice. Fit one into the other, it will look like this. They don't fit perfectly on top of each other. I cut 2 fabric circles measuring 12 centimeters. We put a drop of glue here and place it in the middle of the circle.
Oh. Water.
Put a little bit of glue inside here and keep gluing. Glue one side. Put another drop of glue, stretch it here so this little basket looks really pretty. You'll see how cool it is that we can make an Easter basket spending very little. Look, fix it. A little gift, a treat. Sometimes you have to give out so many little gifts, and this one is good because you'll hardly spend anything on it. You'll use scraps you already have at home. You can make this little basket in any color, any pattern, with just a bit of yarn you have at home. This Easter favor is really very cheap and very easy to make. Look, stretch it out, then it will look like this. Glue everything together. Now we're going to glue it here. A little bit of glue here in the middle.
Oh.
You have to adjust it so it stays in the middle, okay? Now glue it to the outside. Tell me in the comments, do you have to give out a lot of little Easter gifts? Sometimes it's the teachers who want to give little gifts to the kids but can't afford to spend. Wow, there are so many people we want to give gifts to, and if we buy them, it gets expensive, right? So we can make them ourselves. And for those who sell crafts, you can give your clients a little gift. Give them this treat. Look, adjust it.
Oh.
I'm saying here that it's an Easter basket, right? But you can use it in other ways throughout the year too, look. Look, there's a little piece here. Let's fix it. This can be a little basket to put in your doll's hand. Look, it's right here, see? It will look like this, see? One is all covered on the outside, and inside it's a bit messy, and the other is covered both inside and outside, right? Is it messy? I cut 6 strands of yarn, each 20 centimeters long, and made a really tight braid so the handle stays firm. Look at this. But you can make this handle in another way too, okay? This is just because it's the material I have at home that I'm using. Since I have yarn, let's use yarn. But you can make this braid with string with another material. Look, I glued it in here. Now we put the glue here. Look. Now you take the other part of the egg carton, okay? Look. Here, look. Press here really tight. You can press it, okay? I'm going to use a little ribbon to finish it off, but you can finish it with some lace. Whichever one you want, okay? Any pretty thing you have there? Look, a small embroidered strip. You can finish this off here with just about anything, look. And It's just so this little ugly part doesn't show here. I'll use these ready-made bows. But you can make the little bows yourselves. Here on the channel, I teach how to make little bows. There's a video here. You just have to search like this on YouTube. Janil da laço no garfo. Then you'll find where I teach how to make little bows, but it can be a little flower. Look how beautiful it turns out, everyone. A quick, easy, and inexpensive little gift. I'm going to put these little eggs here, but you can put whatever you want. Look how beautiful it looks. Whoever receives it will enjoy it because it's a gesture of affection. Look, you put it inside a little bag. Tie it with a little ribbon. And it's ready. A little gift, a token of affection. I'm going to cut here to make it look prettier. And look how beautiful this little basket looks. I put the little eggs in it. This one, look. I put chocolate balls. I put them inside a little bag. Look. You can put little candies in here, whatever you want. Guys, tell me in the comments what you're going to put in this little basket. I'm in love with how simple and easy it is. Look at this. And it costs almost nothing, right? If you liked this video, like, share, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Wishing you health and peace.